So today I just thought I would film something different, and I'm just taking my Morphe 35B colour palette, and I'm just first of all taking an orange shade from there, and I'm working that into my crease, into that kind of wing shape again. And this palette's really good if you want to create something that's really bold and colourful, so I just thought today I would dig it out and do something new. And now I'm taking a sort of lilac-y colour here, and I'm just blending just below where we put the orange colour here, and just sort of transitioning both those colours together. Sorry guys, I don't actually know what's happened to the clips I filmed for this part, they've just deleted themselves. But these are the two colours I'm going to use next, and this is the iridescent kind of purpley glitter pigment I use to just push it onto my lid with my finger. I'm just using a black kohl pencil here, I'm just lining my bottom lash line and smoking it out. And then I do the same on the top, except with some black shadow here, just to give it that more blown out look. I'm using a nice sort of plum based blusher here from Illamasqua just to tie in with the nice tones that we have in the eyes, and I'll link that down below, all the products I've used in this look today.